In this video, you'll learn how to add a page border in Google Docs and make it look clean and professional. Since Google Docs doesn't include a built-in border feature, you'll create the border using the Drawing tool. Start by opening your Google Docs document. Click Insert, select Drawing, then choose New. When the drawing window opens, click the Shape tool, select Rectangle, and then drag the rectangle. This creates the border outline. Change the fill color to transparent. This keeps the center clear so your text stays readable. Adjust the border settings to match the style you want. Change border color. Helps match your design or theme. Select border weight to make the border thicker or thinner. Choose border dash for dotted or dash styles, useful when creating invitations or project covers. These adjustments matter because they let the border stand out without covering your content. Click Save and Close. The border appears roughly in the center of the page. Now drag the edges to place it around the page correctly. Make sure to position it cleanly, because this determines whether the border aligns with the page margins. To keep your text visible, choose Behind Text from the bottom toolbar. This places the border under your content. If the border won't move to the top of the page, change the positioning setting. Select Move with Text, then choose Fixed Position on Page. This lets the shape move freely. Resize the shape so it fits the page perfectly. Now you've seen how to add a border to a single page. If you want the same border on multiple pages, copy the border and paste the border manually to other pages when needed. To apply the page border to all pages at once, place the border inside the header. To do this, cut the shape, double-click the top of the page to open the header, and then paste the shape inside the header. This keeps the border locked in place and automatically adds it to every new page you create. This is helpful for resumes, project reports, certificates, school assignments, or any document where all pages need a consistent border. All right, so that's how you add a clean and customizable page border in Google Docs. Like and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.